With the Element IQ precise heating controls, the bake and roast function delivers even energy to the top and bottom elements, which is perfect for baking foods like chocolate brownies or roasting a whole chicken. Start by setting your rack to position 3 and turn the function dial to bake and roast. You can adjust temperature and time for your desired cook with the temp time dial on the front of the oven. Now, let's preheat the oven by pressing the Start/Stop button, and the LCD screen will illuminate orange. After the preheat is finished, place your food in the Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact, ensuring the food is centered to the middle of the oven to allow for adequate heat circulation. A tip for roasting chickens whole is to insert them with legs sideways, with legs pointing to the left or to the right, with the breast facing up. For this function, you can use the Super Convection button to choose between No Convection and Super Convection. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. If at the end of your cook, you would like the food to be slightly darker or crispier, press the A Bit More button to add more cooking time, ensuring you can achieve your desired outcome. Roast chicken has never looked so good.